You ever saw a keyhole? Hey everybody, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. My name is Phil Shinwine. This week on Cool Tool Tuesday we have Razorsaw's keyhole saw. This knife combines the convenience of a utility knife, right, with the lock and slide and whatnot, with the functionality of a Japanese pole saw. It's just very clever, and if you do still need it to be just your standard snap-off utility knife, you can just put one of those blades in here and it'll hold all the standard sizes. But you should buy the Razorsaw one. You can get replacement blades for this particular knife saw hybrid combo unity thingy. So there you have it, Razorsaw's keyhole saw. For links to this particular saw on our website, you can find them down in the doobly-doo, as well as a link to the store in general. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe and all those YouTubey things, and hitting the bell and getting the email and all that fun stuff that we all know how to do now, and I probably don't need to say it, but I will anyway because that's what you do on YouTube. I am Phil Shinwine, and I will see you when I see you. See ya!
Is he really normal, Doctor?
That is a word we try not to use, Mrs. Parks.
Why not?
Well, because it's meaningless. Normal, in the popular sense, refers only to the behavior pattern of the majority. And that pattern is not necessarily good.